It's Funtuber show. And today I'm going to show you all the toys I have. In this video, you might see something different, like some of these kinetic fans might have different something inside. But if you find out, you must put it in the description below. Let's start. I have my slime over here. Well, it says Rainbow Dreams. And I mixed it up. And it looks better. I have this slime over here that can even light up.
Can you put it closer to the camera?
It can light up. And I also have this alien slime right here with an alien back. Check it out. Too creepy. I have 3 of them actually. And I mixed it up together. All the colors. Let's look at this one. Anyways, and I also have this ball which can light up. Not very good. I have this puppy. Isn't he adorable? And it can also move forward. It can even move forward. And the last but not least, the kinetic fan.
Can you build a house with them?
Yes. Perfectly. But let's try this. Perfect. Did you find what the hidden thing was? This thing. I have one right here. You know this thing yet? I only have 4 more left to show. One of these are going to be the same as another one. You have to tell me which color it is.
You gonna mix them up, huh?
Not really. This is a sandy kind of. This is a brown one, but it looks like sand actually. Just like this. This red one looks the same as the purple one. I put red and purple, and this is red and purple.
How about this one right here? Alright, you can square it away.
And the last one, the white. Now they're all mixed. Look how beautiful it looks when they're all mixed up together. It looks like a Christmas tree. Bigger than the slime.
Put it back in the box to see what color it is on.
I need some of that blue as I think. And there's white under. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? Now they're different colors and I mix them all. Bye! Subscribe and put the notification below to watch all our videos or our new ones. And also subscribe if I'm not lying, something was changed in this video. Before I mixed these all these, something was different about all these toys. I said it many times. And can you tell me how much times I said it?